Kids, we learned that pollination is a process by which pollens are transferred from the anther, that is, the male part of the flower, to the stigma, which is the female part of the flower, and thereby enabling fertilization and reproduction.